Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix GCash request permission. If you're seeing a request permission prompt on GCash, don't worry, it's a common issue and easy to fix. This usually appears when you're logging in, verifying your account, scanning a QR code, sending money, or using location-based services. GCash has certain permissions so it can read your SIM number, access your camera for scans or selfies, detect your contacts to show who's on GCash, and use your location for nearby stores or security purposes. If GCache keeps asking for them repeatedly, you can manually enable them in your phone settings. Simply open your Settings app, go to Apps, and find GCache. From there, tap App Permissions and make sure the essential ones are turned on. That includes camera, contacts, location, notifications, and photos or videos. Once you've allowed this, reopen GCache and it should work smoothly again without those constant permission pop-ups. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.